Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll show you how to seamlessly connect Klever Extension to a dApp using KleverScan as an example. Find the dApp or website you want to connect to and click on the Connect button, in our case, KleverScan.org. A Klever Extension window will pop up, asking you to choose which account you want to use on the site. Select the account you want to use and click on the Next button. Carefully review the permissions that the site is asking from your account. Make sure you understand the risks associated with allowing the site to access your wallet, and make sure to always do your research about the dApp or project before you allow any access. If you accept the risks, click on the Connect button. That's it. You should now be able to see that your wallet is connected in the top right corner of the website. You can use this method to connect the Klever Extension to any dApp or blockchain gateway of your choice on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain, Tron or KleverChain, with many more networks to come. Unleash the power of Web3 with Klever Extension.